Hello. Welcome to a new fresh episode of Crypto Mila. Today is 6th of January, guys. And what we're going to discuss is the Bitcoin charts because I think that's very important at this moment to see which direction Bitcoin will go. And beside that, we're also going to discuss a couple meme coins, guys. A couple meme coins, what I think it's now a right moment uh, to buy some of it. So guys, let's go directly to the chart. So don't waste time. Let's go to the Bitcoin weekly chart. The Bitcoin weekly chart, guys, it looks quite good. Just we have a very big problem that we need to break above 103k. As long we don't break above 103k and we close above it, it actually means that we have a lower high and a lower low. That means so actually there is not so much changed until we break this 103k. So hopefully we will soon break this 103k, guys. And when that happens, the 103k, when it's broken, then guys, I think we're gonna see soon that we're gonna break the all-time high again. And when we break the all-time high, I think the next station it's 115k, around that number. I think that's a quite good number to where I think there is the next residence to come. So guys, the weekly we should actually this week close above 90, let's say 98 and a half, 99. Let's say 99. We should close above 99 to keep it bullish. Like on the 4-day charts, it looks like that Bitcoin gonna go up again. When I see the oscillators like the MEXC and the RSI and the CMF, it looks all positive. So let's see if we can break this 103k, the previous candle, or two candles before. Like in the weekly is the previous candle. In the 4 days, it's already two candles. The last high, and that's like around 103k, 104k. So we really should break this point of 103, 104k and close above it. The daily, actually, it looks good. Just guys, in the daily charts where you can very clear see that we had residence at this point, at this line, at the white line. We have some residence what we couldn't break here, what we couldn't break here. And yesterday we also couldn't break it. It was directly and it went until almost 101k, like 100, yeah, almost 101k. And from that point the bears took again over and we had a little drop. So let's see if we can push it up and we can break this residence line. I think it's quite important now to break this residence line, because when we break this residence line, guys, it means that we just need to break this point, because then we have a higher high. And then the structure of the chart, what looks at this moment bearish, it will change in bullish again in the daily chart. So first we need to have one close above 101k, because that's the line at this moment at that price. And then we need to close above 103k, the previous high. When we have this both things done, it means that we're gonna see, at least the probability is very big that we're gonna see higher prices. At that moment, guys, in my perspective, you should be 100% long when this point is broken and this point is broken. So the residence line and the previous high, when that's broken, guys, then it's for me 100% bullish allocation that we can go again fight against the last all-time high. And the all-time high, it's around now 108k 300. So let's see how this plays out, guys. It can that we can have a drop and we find again support around maybe 96 97k, and from there we try again, the bulls try again to push it up. But what we should now try is just break this line, guys. That's the first first thing what we need to do. On the 4-day, guys, you can see that we found good support at the 20 EMA. So let's see if this support holds, and we try again to push it up and break this point, break the previous high of yesterday. If we can do that, then the next place that we need to break, it's around 100, 203K. So let's see if we can do that. I hope it's possible, and it will be very good for Bitcoin if we can do that, and also for the altcoin guys. Because the altcoins, they are now at this moment asking for some confirmation of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin confirms the previous 2 points what I mentioned, it means that the altcoins will start move up again heavy. That's what I expect. So guys, I think that's good enough for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at first meme coin, altcoin, Hoppy. Let's go to the weekly of Hoppy. The weekly of Hoppy, guys, the last week we had MRI buy. The MRI buy until now, it looks good because you see that there was a bounce from the next candle. And normally when an MRI buy is confirmed and it's placed how it should play out, it means that we're gonna see the upcoming weeks higher highs in the weekly chart. So let's hope that we can do that. Because if we can do that and we break, for example, we can close above 301. That's just around 20% from this point. If we can close this week above this price, it means that I think that really the bottom was in at this point, and we're gonna make a new run up for Hoppy, because I am quite bullish on Hoppy, guys. The charts, it looks like that we almost bottom out. We are very, very near the bottom, if not already bottomed out. But I expect really the upcoming weeks, months, that Hoppy will go up from this point. And I think the community is good. I think the posts are good. I think the charts, it looks quite good at this moment to have a bounce. I think we are really ready for a bounce. I think all the people that sold here, they already bite in. The most of them, they already bite in again, little bit by little bit. I don't think there is a lot sell pressure anymore in this chart. What I can see, like the biggest sell pressure in Hoppy, I think it's out. That's what the charts shows me, guys. Of course, nothing is like 100%. Nothing is guarantee. But how I see the chart, it looks like that the bottom is formed, and we try to find in all the indicators and the chart itself, we try to find more bullish candle, so we can go up from now, because I think we had enough patience at this moment. Like everybody what had patience in Hoppy, I think we are almost there, guys. Like from, let's say, 31 October, we started to go down, and that's already a couple months, guys. So let's take a look at SPX 6900, because SPX 6900, guys, on the daily, let's go to the daily chart. We had a quite good bounce, what went until 160, $1.64. And from that point, we went down again. We went to 86 cents, and that's almost the 50. Yeah, that's actually the 50%. I think the people that sold here, they started to buy here at 85 cents because they doubled their sell, and they could buy twice SPX 6900 coins at this point. So let's see if this candle at the daily candle, I will hope that it will have it looks like the previous candle, like it will have a long wick up. At least the wick should be more than the half of this candle. So let's hope that the wick it's above the half in 8 hours, and we gonna see a little bit higher highs. If not, I think there is some support at 90 cents. If we break 90 cents, like we can even go as low as 62 cents if it's if it looks very bearish for SPX 6900. Like this is strong support at 60 cents. Around 60 cents, we have very strong supports. But let's hope that we don't reach that and we just keep the 90 cents and from here we go up. But of course, everything also depends at this moment at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin will do, because nobody knows, like, will we go have a lower low in Bitcoin? Like if Bitcoin gonna break 94K, the chance is big that the next support is around 85K. And from there we bounce up again and we go making higher highs, and maybe we're gonna break the chart formation where we are in. So SPX 6900 at this moment, for me, it looks also a strong coin, guys. It has a very strong community. It has a strong team. I think this coin, I think really this coin can make crazy moves up, guys. I think this coin can really go to, in the peak, I think it really can reach even 10, 20, $30, this coin. And that will be a very big market cap. That will be a 20, 30 million market cap at the high, at the peak. So I expect good things for SPX 6900, guys. I think it's a good thing to maybe to check. Let's check one more coin. Maybe let's do Pepe. Pepe, we didn't we didn't watch it for a long time. Like the daily charts, we went until quite high, guys. We had a top here at 28, 28, 29, 2,829. This was the top. And we are now at 1,833. So let's see. We have a daily buy for Pepe. That's a very strong point. Like that means that we can have from here, we can go find higher prices again. Just also with Pepe, guys, we need to break this residence line. So we need really a one candle close above, let's say above 2000. That's not far anymore. Let's say if we break the 2000 and we have one close, and then that is actually the same as Bitcoin. And then the next is we need to break this point, the previous high. If we can break that, then the structure changes and we have a bullish formation and we can go high. The only thing what looks better for Pepe is that Pepe didn't had a lower low. It had a higher low at this point. So that's a bullish sign. The only thing what we need now, that it breaks the previous high, and then I think Pepe gonna start to move up again. And the next move up, I think it's even higher than the all-time high what it was around this point, around 3,000, almost 3,000. So actually Pepe looks good, and it looks even better like with this point of the daily buy yesterday. So let's see if we can break this residence line. I think that's the most important thing now to do for Pepe. I think that's the start sign for the next push up for Pepe, but also it's very dependent on what Bitcoin will do. Like if Bitcoin will break this structure, guys, if Bitcoin will break it, I think we can see fast higher prices for all the coins and all the meme coins and and everything. Let's hope that in the 20, when Trump gonna sit on his place, let's hope that will create some bullish news and that the price will go up from that point. So we have that in 3-4 days. Let's see how that will play out. It's, I think, the Monday or Tuesday. So guys, I'm gonna end this episode for today. If you have some suggestions, if you have some new things, please send it in the comments. Maybe we can look it together. Maybe we can watch it and check the charts and see if we can find something nice. And let's hope that Bitcoin gonna break this point so we can have some green days again and some great months, guys. Some good months for the Q1, because we are now in the Q1. I hope the Q1 will bring us some nice things, and let's see Let's see what it will be, and whatever it will be, we need to play our hands and we need to react fast and see what it brings us, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, please put a like, and I see you tomorrow with a new episode. Have a great day, guys, wherever you are in the world. Protect your backs and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao.